Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'll be showing you how to do a gathering knot. This is a great way to start or finish a plant hanger or just bring together any loose ends on a project. Take a cord about 30 inches long and at one end fold it so you have a loop that's about 2 inches long. Place this loop against the cords you want to tie together, and then using the long tail, start wrapping it around the cords you're bringing together as well as the loop. You'll want to do this fairly tight to make sure that everything stays secured over time. I usually wrap my cord around about 7 or 8 times, but this can vary depending on how you want it to look. Once we are finished wrapping our cord around, we'll take the rest of that long tail and stick it through the loop that's hanging out of the bottom of the wrap. Next, take the short tail at the top and start pulling it upwards. You're going to keep pulling that tightly until the loop and the long cord at the bottom are tucked underneath the wrap that we've just created. Go ahead and cut the excess cords off of the top and bottom of the gathering knot that you've just created. Next, we're going to clean things up a little bit, so take something pokey. For example, I'm using a crochet needle in this video, and start poking those frayed ends down into the gathering knot. Go ahead and repeat this process on both ends of your knot for a nice clean look. And then once you're finished, you have a completed gathering knot. Thank you so much for watching. I hope this was helpful.